Will broadcast TV go out of fashion? It's difficult to say. A growing number of people are cutting the cord every day. Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus are all streaming into the market space. Then, smart devices like Amazon Fire Sticks are helping you customize the way you serve TV channels. If you're looking for the best content to add to your custom channel list, here are some of the most popular Amazon Fire Stick channels you should install. YouTube. Yes, the very thing you're watching right now. YouTube was the victim of a tiff between Google and Amazon. Then it came back to Amazon Fire Stick and Amazon devices. And why not? Where else would you go to watch over 30 million channels and content in more than 80 languages? Pbs TV. The Pbs TV Fire Stick channel has a nice feature called Collections that you can use as a shortcut to watch acclaimed movies. For instance, the highly rated on Rotten Tomatoes collection will help you discover some rare gems. It's the world's largest ad-supported video-on-demand service, with over 20,000 movies and television shows from every major Hollywood studio. Tubi is available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. FilmRise Classics. Want to return to the best classics of yesteryear? On the FilmRise Classics Fire Stick channel, you can watch shows like 21 Jump Street, Third Rock from the Sun, and more. You can also turn to more recent films like Monster, Memento, and Spotlight if you're tired of TV shows. There's even a select lineup of free documentaries too, for a dose of reality. Imdb Tv. Imdb is an Amazon company, but needs no separate introduction for film lovers. It always has trailers, celebrity interviews, and other short-form content. Last year, Amazon launched Imdb TV as a free but ad-supported Amazon Fire Stick channel for movies and TV shows. It's currently only available in the US, however. Look out for the Watch Free on Imdb TV sign when you're browsing the site to instantly know if the title is available on Imdb TV. You can also find Imdb TV titles in your watch list on the site. TED TV. TED Talks have always been the easiest way to get brain food, even though that brain food is sometimes more like fast food than something truly nutritious. Still, there's a lot on TED to inspire you and get those mental juices flowing. Zumo TV. The Zumo Fire Stick channel has a channel lineup that looks just like one offered by your cable provider. There are over 180 free channels to pick from. All channels are free to watch and stream from any device. Apart from free movies, you can relax with ABC News Live, NBC News Now, History, PGA Tour, Fail Army, and other channels Zumo partners with. Of course, like any other cable channel, you have to tolerate commercial breaks and adverts. One great benefit of Zumo's free offering is that it tries to add new channels on a monthly basis. Pbs Kids. The public broadcasting service has a bunch of apps with family-friendly shows. Pbs Kids is for the little ones. It's the most trusted source of good quality educational content for children. It's certainly better than leaving your children unattended on YouTube. An Amazon Fire Stick can turn any dumb TV into a smart TV and save you a lot of money. Install the right streaming channels and you can even drop your cable subscription for good. These free channels are a good start, but there are so many more, a few of which you'll find in the article linked below. See you next time.